Ladies and gentlemen, step right up and witness the power of the Black & Decker Electric Leaf Blower 7-amp LB700, the hurricane in a handheld device that's about to blow your mind and your leaves. This little beast turns a day of yard work into a leaf peeling party. Are you tired of raking leaves until your arms scream for mercy? Say no more. This electric dynamo is so powerful, it can send your leaves to the next county and maybe even negotiate peace treaties with your garden gnomes. With a 7-amp motor that roars to life like a caffeinated lion, this blower doesn't just move leaves, it relocates them with a vengeance. Weighing in at just 4.4 pounds, this is no heavyweight champ, but it punches way above its class. You can wave it around like a magic wand, and voila, your yard is cleaner than your browser history. The Black & Decker LB700 comes with a built-in cord retention system that keeps the power cord securely in place. In conclusion, if you want to take your leaf blowing game to gale force levels with minimal effort and maximum overkill, this Black & Decker electric leaf blower is your ticket to a clean yard and an even cleaner joke at your next barbecue. Get ready to blow away the competition, literally.